in the afterlife, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protects the believers from the fire of Jahannam. To the extent, He does not even allow them to talk to the people of the hellfire. وَنَادَى أَصْحَابُ النَّارِ أَصْحَابَ الْجَنَّةِ أَنْ أَفِيضُوا عَلَيْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ. The people of the fire will call out to the people of paradise, just sprinkle some water on us. But it will be responded to them, إِنَّ اللَّهَ قَدْ حَرَّمَهُمَا. Allah has prohibited that water to reach you. The people of paradise are so protected from evil and from distress and from sadness that they don't even hear the voices and the cries of people in hellfire. Allah says about them that they will have لا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. They will have no fear, nor will they feel sadness. This is only in the akhirah. In this world, those are the people that felt fear and they felt sadness and they went through tests and tribulation, but they stood firm because they knew they had 3 insurance policies protecting them. If I fall, my brother will look after me. If my brother's not there, my mother. My mother's not there, Allah is there. And this is what gave them courage. And this is what gave them reliance upon Allah. Today, many people, they commit all sorts of illegal fraud and haram because they think this will give them financial security. I was driving as a taxi driver the other day. He said to me, brother, look, in this country, if you don't do something haram, you cannot live a life. You have to claim benefits, you have to falsely show your taxes, you have to do cash, you have to pretend, you have to break, a few laws here and there, double books. You have to do this, otherwise you can't survive. You have to secure yourself. Pretend you're poor, get a council house, this. All of these ways that we are doing, to get some financial security, we are putting so much trust in the security of the state, and we are forgetting who is the provider of safety, Al-Mu'minul Muhaymin, the one who keeps you safe, the one who keeps you secure. Nothing in this world can keep you safe if the safety of Allah does not come.